Hello everyone, my name is Hawani and this is my project, Splash and Shine, an alarm that takes Rise and Shine to a whole new level by literally spraying water on you. So let me paint you a picture. The alarm goes off, I hit snooze and then hit snooze again. The next thing I know is I overslept, missed commitments, and wondering why life is so hard. Standard alarms just don't cut it for me. They're like background music for my dreams. So I thought, what if I can't hit snooze? What if the alarm hits me back with water? So let me introduce you to my game changer alarm system, and here's how it works. The keypad here allows you to set your alarm. It includes a clock button to set your alarm, a reset button in case you make a mistake typing your alarm, an AM and a PM button. The LCD screen here displays the current time, and once you set your alarm, it temporarily shows the alarm time for confirmation before switching back to displaying the current time. This right here is the RTC, or the real-time clock. It's the brain of this operation. It keeps track of the current time and compares it to your alarm set time, and when those two match, the servo motor activates, pulling the handle on the spray bottle, and you're awake. No snooze, no excuse. But wait, there's more. So to make this alarm system even more convenient, dare I say elegant, I've thought of every single detail. Since the servo motor here is attached to the spray bottle, it could be a bit inconvenient to fill the bottle, to open it and fill the bottle every time. So to solve that, I added a tube inside the spray bottle, which allows easy refill without having to detach anything. And inside the spray bottle is a water sensor that monitors the water level. This LED indicator right here keeps things in check. If the water level gets too low, the LED lights up, letting you know it's time to refill. And when the water level gets too high, the LED blinks 3 times, signaling the user to stop to prevent overflowing, to avoid damage to the sensor wires. Okay, let's get started. And when I plug in my alarm, the LED screen greets me with welcome to Splash and Shine, and it also prompts me to press the clock button. Okay, now let me show you the water sensor and the LED indicator. As you can see, the LED is currently lighting up because the spray bottle is currently empty. This is my cue, I need to refill it. Notice that as I fill the water bottle, the LED turned off because the water level was above the low threshold. But if I keep filling it, the LED blinked 3 times, signaling me to stop to avoid overfilling and damaging the sensor wire. Okay, now that my spray bottle is properly filled, I'm ready to set my alarm. You can see that the LCD displays the current time. It's currently 12:01 a.m. And if I press the clock button, it asks me to enter time, and I'm gonna enter reset. Made a mistake. 02:02 a.m. Okay, now watch this. When the current time matched the alarm it just did, RTC triggers the servo motor, and you're awake. So there you have it, Splash and Shine, an alarm that not only wakes you up but does it with style. Thank you for watching.